Water, unarguably the most important building block for life here on Earth and possibly throughout the universe. Now, developing the moon, what exactly does that mean? Well, developing the moon has been a heated and argumentative topic for the past couple of years. And it seems that humans have been put at a standpoint considering ongoing problems here on Earth. And one of the many presented solutions was the development of the moon in the areas of water, energy, and minerals. And with this advancement, humanity could resolve some of the issues here at hand. Now, I'm going to be arguing and defending for the most beneficial and correct solution, which is the attainment of water from the moon's interior. Now, advantage one, the US has been afflicted with the most severe drought in history, more so the West than any other region. According to recent polls addressed by reinsurance broker Aon Benfield, the drought has caused nearly $3 billion in total economic losses in the US. That's just in the US. Globally, it is reported that the total economic losses sum up to around $8 billion. $8 billion. That is an immense amount of money. And in India, it is reported that farmers have even reduced themselves to taking actions of suicide because of the effects that the drought has caused on their land, their crops, their home. Now, that's pretty severe actions to be taking. Now, the idea of sending any spacecraft or probe to the moon might seem to be expensive or futile. That the entire mission to canvass water from the moon would be a failure, or that we don't have sufficient data that supports a mission to the moon. But NASA has been developing and funding a project by the name of the Lunar Flashlight. Now, this mission is set to embark in December of 2017. And its mission is to locate and pinpoint major ice deposits on the moon. Now, the probe that they're going to be sending to pinpoint these ice deposits is going to be powered by a solar sail. So fuel would not be an issue for the longevity of this mission. So those that believe money would be wasted on the fuel used to power this craft can be rest assured. Now, this mission also has game-changing capabilities for expanded human exploration, planetary science, heliophysics, and other relevant instrument applications. Now, advantage two, science and technology have been advancing progressively for the past 100 years, but it has slowly come to a halt due to the limited knowledge we as a species contain. We have studied and tried to comprehend the physics here on Earth, and because of that have accomplished great feats in the field of science. But the physics studied in space by astronauts from the US have given birth to technology and theories that have helped immensely here on Earth. Now, the debate of a space station on the moon has gone back and forth for quite some time now. Issues surrounding the facts of funding, reasoning, and ultimate success. But the use of the ice deposits on the moon could ensure the colonization of the moon. And with that colonization, a space station could surely arise. And with that space station on the moon, a greater understanding of the physics and science beyond our planet could come up with better technologies, better science, better medicine, basically a better understanding of everything. Not to mention, having the space station on the moon could pave the road for human exploration beyond our planet, beyond our solar system, perhaps. Not to mention that it would be the US that accomplishes this feat. That it would be the US that colonizes the moon. It would be us that does it, that we were the first ones. It would prove that we as a nation are strong and could accomplish pretty much anything. Now, in conclusion, With the many problems at hand here in the U.S., the drought and technological and species advancement being some of them, ultimately cultivating the water that is on the moon would prove to be solutions to some of these problems. Now, the moon has been the answer to these problems, since these problems arose, but we just never realized it. But with the knowledge and technology and understanding of science that we have now, it's possible for us to fix these issues. We just have to attain the moon's full capabilities. Those capabilities being the attainment of water. I just think it's time that we act, that we do it now, before someone else does it.